Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can factory reset in your laptop and make it look like new again. Okay, so let's start the video. Just follow the step by steps. Okay, so first we need to go in settings in your window. Just go to the search bar and search for settings here. Come to the settings and now we need to go in the systems options. Under the system we need to find that that recovery. Okay, here the recovery option, here just click on it, and here under the recovery option you can see the reset this PC. Okay, now just click on the reset. Here you need to select the options which have the remove the all app and setting but keep your personal data. This option if you select, then it will be remove all your application but keep your personal data like your window, like your C drive, okay, or other drive where you have the personal data. And this option it is remove everything, like remove all your personal files and app and settings. Okay, so you can select any. If you want, if you want to clear your all PC and make it very new, then you can choose this one. So it is remove everything. So I just choose first one. Then here the asking how to reinstall the Windows. So choose local reinstall. Don't choose that cloud download. If you have any cloud download options, if you have your window in your cloud, then you can choose that. But I suggest just choose this reinstall window from your device. After that, you need select, just click on it. Then it will be asking some few options. Okay, like current reinstall the window from your device. Okay, here you can change the setting and just click on next. Then your PC start reset, and it will be delete everything, and it will be your laptop or PC look like very new. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.